complete 1/30th of the full work. Similarly, C can do the work in 60 days, and C in 1 day he can complete 1/60 of the work. So this is the story of individual. A, B, C are given in the question. They are able to do individually the total work in this day. So in 1 day they can complete 1/20th, 1/30th, and 1/60th of the work. If they are doing individually per day, this is the amount of work completed. Per day, this is the amount of work completed. And now if you see, we are going to the next sentence in the question. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Okay, B and C on every third day. So first, this is the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, 5, 6, 7th day, 8th day, 9, 10, like that. So first day A alone is doing the work, second day also A alone is doing, but on every third day B and C, they are assisting him. On every third day means 4th and 5th day A alone will be doing. 6th day again B and C will help him. Again 7th and 8th day A alone will do. On the 9th day B and C will assist, like this. The process continues, and in how many days the work will be completed if this story goes on. Okay, this is the actual story. If this story goes on, how many days the total work is getting completed. Okay, the first day A alone means it is 1/20th of the work completed. Second day it will be 1/20th of the work completed, and third day it will be A work, and B is also doing along with him, and C is also doing along with him. This is the third day. Okay, so we will find out in 3 days. So first we will find out, this is the first 3 days, how much work is completed. Okay, after that we will continue. First 3 days, we will make the LCM 60. We will make the LCM 60. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 9 plus 3, 12/60. So 1/5th of the work is completed in first 3 days. 1/5th of the work is completed in 3 days. Okay, so 3 days, it is 1/5th of the work completed. If it is full work to be completed, how many days will be taken? Full work to become, full work means 1. Okay, full work means 1. 1/5th of the work is completed. So full work means 1. This 1/5 is increasing to 1. Okay, so 3 also will increase. It is directly proportional. So how to find the question mark value? 1 divided by 1/5 into 3 is this question mark value. Left side, it becomes 5 into 3 is this question mark value. So question mark value is 15 days. It will take 15 days for them to complete the full work. Okay, so 15 days is the answer. So this is one procedure. Otherwise you carry on 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, like that we have to calculate. So I have just represented here. In step 1, what is the story of their individual capacity, and in step 2 I have taken number of days, etc. And in step 3 I have calculated only for first 3 days. Okay, so step 3 I have calculated only for first 3 days, and in step 4 I am just making the analysis. 1/5th work is completed in 3 days. So the total work is 1. How many days will be taken? So answer is 15 days. Answer is 15 days. I am going to next problem. A is thrice as good as workman as B. A is thrice. Okay, he is very strong. Thrice as good as workman as B. And therefore he is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in how many days? Working together, they can do it in how many days? Okay. So first what I will do, A is A capacity equal to 3 times of B capacity. A capacity is 3 times of B capacity. Let us assume B is taking X days to complete the work. B is taking X days to complete the work. A will be taking 1/3. Okay, because he is 3 times stronger, he will take 1/3 of the days. 1/3 of the days to complete the total work. Okay. Now I am going to this is step 1. I am going to the second sentence. First sentence, I have written some equations. A is thrice as good as workman. I have written some sentence. Therefore, he is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Okay, so less than B means A, number of days taken, minus B, number of days taken. Okay, if you subtract, A is taking 60 days lesser than B. Okay, A is taking 60 days lesser than B. That is the second sentence. Already we assumed B is taking X days. Okay, and A is taking X by 3. Is the subtraction holds good? The equation what I have written is wrong. So higher value minus lower value is this 60, no? So B is taking more number of days, so the subtraction should be the other way. B is taking more number of days. So number of days taken by B minus number of days taken by A. Number of days taken by B minus number of days taken by A. So A is taking 60 days lesser. Lesser means it is a lower value. So B is having a higher value. Okay, number of days taken by B is higher value. So B minus A, number of days. That difference is 60. Okay, A is taking 60 days lesser than B. Already we assumed B is taking X days, A is taking X by 3 days, and it is equal to 60. Now we will try to find what is the difference. One equation, one unknown variable. One equation, one unknown variable. If you make 3 as LCM, this is 3x minus x equal to 60. So 2x equal to 180. So x value is 90, which is nothing but number of days taken by B. Okay, x is nothing but number of days taken by B. Taken by B. Okay. And now if you see, A is taking number of days, A is taking. Okay, number of days A is taking. It is x by 3. In step 1 itself we have analyzed because his capacity is 3 times. So it is 90 divided by 3, which is 30 days. A is taking only 30 days. Okay. Now I will go to the next thing. I will go to the next category or next stage. So A is taking totally 30 days to complete the work. A is taking 30 days to complete the work. So A in one day, he can do 1 by 30th of the full work. 1 by 30th of the full work he can complete. B is taking 90 days. B is taking 90 days. So B in one day, he can complete 1 by 90th of the total work. 1 by 90th of the total work. If you see the last sentence in the question, working together, they can do it in how many days? Okay, A plus B together in one day, how much work is completed? A plus B together in one day, they can do 1 by 30 plus 1 by 90 of the work. If you take 90 LCM, it is 3 plus 1. So 4 by 90, which is nothing but 2 by 45. 2 by 45th of the work is completed. 2 by 45th of the work is completed. Okay. So one day they are able to complete 2 by 45 of the work. Okay. In one day. How many days will be taken for completing the full work? Full work means 1. Okay. This is 2 by 45th of the work and this is full work. This is full work. Now how to calculate the question mark value? 1 divided by 2 by 45 into 1 is this question mark value. And if you simplify further, it is 45 by 2 is this question mark value, which is nothing but 22.5. And this is number of days taken. 22.5 means 22 and a half. Okay, 22 as 22.5, which is nothing but 22, 1 by 2. Option B is the correct answer. Doing the work in 6 days. So A in one day, he can do 1 by 6th of the total work. 1 by 6th of the total work. So B is able to do the same work in 8 days alone. So B in one day, he can do the work 1 by 8 of the total work can be completed. 1 by 8 of the total work can be completed. Okay. Next, what I am going to, they completed the entire work in 3 days, all of them together. All of them together, they are completing in 3 days. Okay. So A, B plus C. Together, they are taking 3 days. So A plus B plus C in one day, they will be doing 1 by 3rd of the work. 1 by 3rd of the total work. Okay. Now what I will do from the first two cases, if A plus B together work in one day, how much work can be completed? How much work can be completed? It is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8, which is, if you take 24, it is 4 plus 3, it is 7 by 24 of the work is completed if A and B alone is doing. A and B alone is doing the work. Okay. I am making this as equation 1. I am making this as equation 2. Now what I will try to do, I want to find what is the C's one day work. Okay. C alone in one day, how much he can complete, which can be obtained. So A plus B plus C together minus A plus B plus C. In one day, how much they are doing, we can get the one day work of C. Okay. Together, they are doing 1/3 of the work, and A plus B, they are doing 7 by 24 of the work. If you simplify this, 24 and it is 8 minus 7, it is 1 by 24th of the work. C alone is able to do. C alone is able to do. Okay. So C can do the complete work in 24 days if he is working alone. C alone, he can do the work in 24 days. Okay. Now if you see, A, B, C in one day, they are able to do 1 by 6th of the work, 1 by 8th of the work, 1 by 24th of the work. A, B, C together, they are A, B, C individually, their capacity. I am making a ratio individually, their capacity. Okay. Now, if I make a common factor in the denominator as 24, the ratio of the work is 4:3:1. This is the ratio of their work, 4:3:1. So, in the profit or in the salary also, they should divide the salary in this ratio only. Okay. So the amount paid, they undertook a work. Okay, for getting a payment of rupees 3,200. Rupees 3,200 will be the payment. Now what they are asking, how much is to be paid for C? Okay, how much is to be paid for C? So C will be paid. Okay, C will be paid in the ratio of 1 divided by, if you add them, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, 1 by 8 of the total work is done by C. 1 by 8 of the total work is done by C. B is doing 3 by 8 of the work. A is doing 4 by 8 of the work. Okay, into the amount whatever they are getting. So if you cancel 8 ones are, 8 fours are, and 00, 400 rupees will be paid for C. 400 rupees will be paid for C. Okay, now just I will repeat what I have done. In step 1, we know the details of A and B. We are calculating their individual capacity, individual alone, how much they are able to work. Now in step 2, A, B, C together, they are working for 3 days and completing the full work. So in one day, how much they are able to do. In step 3, we are calculating A plus B together, how much work is completed. Okay. And in step 4, we are just subtracting and finding out A's capacity. A capacity, we are just finding out in step 4. In step 5, we are making the ratio of their capacity. Out of the total payment, how much should be C get? How much should C be paid? Okay, C ratio is 1. So 1 by 8 into the total amount they are getting. So C is getting 400 rupees in the total.